Hi guys, my name is Juhita. I am a blogger on social media and I also work in the TV industry. I have partnered with Pehle Akshay to bring you this story. So today's story is called Laundry Day. Its author is Mathangi Subramanian and it has been illustrated by Shambhavi Singh. Let's get into the story. My name is Mary. This is where I live. Today is a new day. That means it's time to do the washing. Everyone's arms are covered in bubbles. Soapy puddles make rainbows in the streets. Grace auntie washes her uniform. Tomorrow she will wear it to the clinic. Jonna auntie hangs up the blanket her grandmother wove in her village. The yarn is dyed the colors of Jonna auntie's homes. Fatima auntie's line is draped with scarves. They will smell sweet when she wraps them around her head. Zakir Chacha's auto wala uniform hangs outside his house. He sews a missing button onto the clean shirt. At Geeta auntie's house, cotton saris sway in the breeze. They sound like birds flapping their wings. Joseph uncle's line is covered with socks. They keep his feet warm during his shift as a security guard. My brother David and I start washing our school uniforms. We scrub away the ink stains on the pockets and the chalk dust on the sleeves. Tomorrow our clothes will get dirty again, but right now everything is clean. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the story.